Now we talk about variance of a binomial random variable. So notice that the formula for variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x, and then you square this. Now expectation of x for a binomial random variable we know is NP. So basically we will have to find expectation of x square and then subtract from it n square p square, and we get the answer. So expectation of x square is k square times probability that x is equal to k, and that's what this is. And since if you plug in k equals to 0, you get 0 here, so you drop the term with k equals to 0 and you start from k equals to 1. So k times n choose k is equal to n times n minus 1 choose k minus 1. So this we have shown before. So we plug this in the expression above. So this n we take out here. So we still have 1k remaining because we are substituting k n choose k. So 1k will remain. So that k is here, and this expression comes right here. Everything else we copy as such. So now we substitute k minus 1 as j. So you put k minus 1 as j. So instead of k minus 1 you put j here. So you took p out common here and you had pk here. So you had pk minus 1 here. P times pk minus 1 is pk. Instead of k minus 1 you have put in j. And again k is equal to j plus 1. So instead of k you put j plus 1. So you get minus 1 minus j. Similarly here from place of k you put j plus 1. Also notice when k is 1, j is 0. So when k is 1, j is 0. When k is n, j is n minus 1. And that's what we plug in here. When k is 1, j is 0. When k is n, j is n minus 1. Now this expression, you can think of this as this is equal to np times summation of j is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So there is some random variable, say z plus 1 times probability that z is equal to j. So this is the associated probability of z equals to j. Now this means that z is a binomial random variable. So z is a binomial random variable, and its parameters are obviously p is probability of success. So parameters are p, and but the number of trials are n minus 1. So n minus 1 is here. These are the number of trials, and number of trials are n minus 1. But the random variable is z plus 1. So this is basically a function of z. So this you could write it as f of z. So f of z is z plus 1, and this is probability that z is equal to j. So this now becomes expectation of z plus 1, and z is distributed with parameters n minus 1 and p. Now let us compute this part now. So expectation of z plus 1 is expectation of z plus 1 because 1 is a constant. Expectation of z is n minus 1 times p, because if the parameters of the binomial random variables are n minus 1 and p, so the expectation is n minus 1 times p. So expectation of x square becomes np times this n minus 1 p plus 1. Now you plug in the formula. So you know that expectation of x is np. So again, you know, x was binomial with parameters n and p. So expectation is np. Z is binomial with parameters n minus 1 and p. So its expectation is n minus 1 p. So you plug this in, you simplify this, you get the variance of the random variable x as np times 1 minus p.